Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. Today in maths, we are going to be focusing on the number 31. So before you begin your activity, can you please make sure that your name is on the top right corner? The first thing that you're going to do is complete the 10 frames to make 31. So we can see that the 10 frames are already colored in, so I'm just going to highlight them for you. So at the moment we've got 30 and we need to make 31. So what you'll need to do is colour in one more to make 31. Now moving on, we are going to add by counting on. Now if we look at the first one here, we can see that it says 31 plus 3. So I'm going to put the number 31 in my head because it's the bigger number, and I'm going to count on another 3. So I've got 31, 32, 33, 34. So the answer is 34. Now you can complete the next two by yourself, and remember to ask an adult if you need some help. Now if we move on to this part here, we can see that it is asking us to add one more and subtract one more. So when we see the word more, it means that we're adding something, and when we see the word less, it means that we are taking away. One more than 31 is 32, and one less than 31 is 30. Now we have to use addition again and add some leaves to our number. So we've got 31 and we need to add because this is our addition symbol, and we can count our leaves to get our number. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to add 5 to 31. So put 31 in your head and count on 5 to get your answer. Next, we have to look at the tens place and the ones place. Now, there are two more parts to complete this activity. You need to tell me if your number is an odd or an even number, so the number 31, and you also need to write the number 31 in words. Now, remembering to upload your work to Class Dojo so that your classroom teacher can see your completed activity.